Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my first MX Bikes video, and today we'll try to get a podium or a win, we'll see. I never won, never got a podium. Today might be the day guys. So let's go Paletta V2, that's my best bet. So let's go see what Paletta V2 is all about. Put this on. I'm gonna let it pass. Right there, red bit. Oh! That's a pretty good start, guys. We'll see. It's like, whoops. Nice. Whoa! Far. That 132 7. Okay, so actually top 10 is really doable, but podium, that's gonna be tough. 127, I need to drop 5 seconds guys. Damn. Okay, yeah, I got the setup on, right? Nope, didn't. Alright, now I do. Alright, so yeah, let's see what happens. How did you guys start sitting or standing up? Where did you start? Okay, let's try to make the crashes. No way. Bring it out of there. So now it's just about consistency. Got another guy like the coward. Good. First start is actually not too bad. Nice catch. No! Go slow. And I fucked it up. This was for sure gonna happen, guys. Now let's just try to stay in this position. Gain a little. I feel like there's gonna be some errors when you do the front. is actually doable. Alright, so damn, that was the race, guys. Pretty fucking close. Shit. Alright, so let's see you guys in the next one, I guess, huh? Alright guys, it's time for the second race. In the warm-up I got 4th for the lap time, for the best lap time, 1:30. I'm not sure if that's my best ever, but it's one of my best for sure. Guys, I'm really not sure, but we'll see how it goes. So just rate for the warm-up stuff. I'm gonna try a little wheelie. Oh, and I played third person last race. I forgot to take it off at the start, so I think I'm just starting first person in this one. And part of the race. Shit, bro, and my game crashed. Well, that was disappointing, but thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video, so peace out.